1999 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe with T-tops here, unique, especially in classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, just slightly over 99,000 on this one. LS1 5.7 liter power underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. Go ahead and take a look at this front nose, front fascia. Bright red with the gray leather interior. Of course, power steering, power brakes. AC blows cold. Hood scoop, actually functional on this car. Take a look at the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, chrome 5-spoke wheels. Of course, this would have the Z28 preferred equipment group, as well as the SS Performance package. And you can see what that pertains to. In with the still pictures, I have a picture of the window sticker in there, so you'll be able to see exactly how this car was equipped from Chevrolet back in 1999. Of course, bucket seats. That would be leather bucket seats. That'd actually be an option on this car. A couple of the other options. It does have rear defrost, as you can see here, electronic rear defrost. Also has a Monsoon premium stereo system. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. So we take a look at the rear of the car. It also has the shades for the T-top panels. If you wanted to put the shade panels in, it has those, and you'll be able to see those in the still pictures also. I have pictures of the car with and without the T-tops in. Of course, the T-tops now in the holder in the rear of the car, in the trunk area. Nice place where they latch in for when they're not riding on the car itself. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out the still pictures. And again, you can see the paint's in nice shape. I mean, considering the car's got a few years on it, being a 99, a couple miles, but no, it shows nice. Bright red in color with, of course, the gray interior. All right, now your other modern amenities that you're going to have on a 99, of course, power windows, power locks, mirrors. You'll also be able to see in the still pictures, picture of the RPO codes if you want to see exactly how this car was equipped. Between that and the window sticker, it's going to let you know. Plus, you can look through all the still pictures. Power seat, driver's side. You can see seating area. Looks good with the exception of the bolster. A little bit of wear right there on that bolster from going in and out. Sometimes the headliner on these are kind of known to loosen, but no, this one looks good. So just get a shot of that. Of course, tilt column, cruise control. Let's go ahead and fire this up. AC blows cold. There's the exact miles, 99,108. See, the gauges are working. No warning indicators, anything like that. That's just a seatbelt light, so I have my seatbelt on. AM, FM, CD, and like I mentioned, Monsoon system. Of course, the 6-speed. Dash looks good. I've really not noticed much for modifications on this. I noticed it's got one of the shorty antennas over here. The metal kind of mast antenna is in the trunk, so that'll come with it. Of course, dual exhaust. A little rumble coming out of that LS one. Let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get the hood open. We'll check out that engine bay. And then don't forget about the ride-along video, too, at the end of this. A little kind of virtual ride you can take, a little driving video. So stick around. Underside of the hood. Remember I mentioned that scoop was functional. Actually blows the air out from the underside right here and down into this intake. Or right here, I guess, if you will. There it is. Nice and clean and tidy engine bay. Doesn't appear this thing's really been driven in much for inclement weather, no doubt about that. And of course, power steering, power brakes, mentions the AC working blowing cold. Great looking engine bay. Fun car. If you want to go to any local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, be just fine for that, or just out to have a spin. 1999 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe with T-tops. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1999 Chevrolet Camaro in red with a black interior and T-tops. This car is a 6-speed manual on the center console. Very good running Camaro. Nice exhaust sound. Smooth shifting. Our oil pressure is at 60. Battery charging at 14 volts, and fuel gauge showing just under 3/4. This odometer is showing 99,106 miles. Temperature right around 200. The factory tachometer and speedometer working well. Air conditioning is currently blowing cold. Factory stereo working well. Brakes are good. This car handles like a low mile car. Corners very well. Good throttle response. Factory leather bucket seats in this car. This car remains perfectly straight in the lane if you let go of the wheel. Cruise control does function. Very nice 1999 Camaro. Check out all the pictures and read about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.